Hi everybody, foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter by taking you back to 2019. Remember those simpler times? But I wanted to take you back to 2019 because it was my year of giveaways. It was a year where I wanted to try to give away as much stuff to all of you as I possibly could, and I never really got a chance to do a wrap-up of it. I went to Nepal toward the end of the year, and it got really hectic after CES, and I figured this is a good time because 2020 happened to all of us. So it might be a nice time to just kind of go back, maybe do some behind the scenes of the things I gave away, show you some of that stuff, and let you know the logistics of actually shipping all those things around the world, and a little bit about the videos behind some of those giveaways. So it all started off at the beginning of 2019 with the Google Home Hub, which I reviewed. Most of the things I gave away were things that I had reviewed on the channel, so anything that I was reviewing, and that Google Home Hub was the first thing of 2019 that I reviewed, and they've had no problems with privacy since. But that said, it was surprisingly easy to ship. I thought it would be more cumbersome. I thought it would be more expensive and more difficult to send this piece of electronics somewhere around the world, and it was super smooth. And I later found out that that wouldn't be the case with most of the other things that I would end up shipping. So during the year of giveaways, basically what I would do is I would have a review of a product and then say, hey, I'm gonna give this product away to you. Just let me know in the comments, or I'd set up like a little contest or something and pick somebody at random and then ship it somewhere in the world. I also sent out a Ridge wallet to somebody and a portable humidifier, a USB portable humidifier, which was one of the funnest things that I reviewed all in 2019 because it's just so odd. So you need a humidifier. Some people need a humidifier, especially in the winter when it's dry. And then I was thinking, I wonder if there's a portable version of that. Because, you know, as a traveler, I like to portable all the things. And surprisingly, there is. And it worked pretty well. And of all the giveaways I did, it was one of the most popular ones. I was really surprised, but I guess a lot of us watching travel like these kind of portable, niche, odd, sort of useful, weird products. And that portable USB humidifier was certainly one of those. Shipping that one was super easy as well. No problems there. I think that one went to, I should look it up, but I think that one went to Australia, I think. Links to all these videos, by the way, for the original reviews, all in the description below. Then when I hit 1 million views, which is a small milestone, I know in the grand scheme of YouTube, but for me it was a significant one, so I wanted to celebrate it. I gave away the Dell Backpack, which is a surprisingly well-built, well-designed backpack coming from a computer company. Most computer companies, when they have backpacks on their website, they just sell them kind of as an afterthought, but this Premier backpack is one that really is just really well designed. It's just a good backpack on its own. Dell or no Dell, take away the name. It's just a really good backpack. That video is one I wish I could redo, but I didn't get a chance because that backpack was sent away and shipped. And if there's one thing I learned from the year of giveaways, it's that shipping backpacks is probably the most difficult one, both for me as the sender, but also for the person receiving it. So you would think that for the size and the weight of something like a backpack, which is going to need a larger box, you would think that would be more expensive. And it didn't always work out like that. I would pay the taxes ahead of time if they were going international, but a lot of people had to go and pick up their backpacks at customs after paying some more taxes. So either I miscalculated or I wasn't told the right taxes from the shipping center where I shipped it, or customs was thinking maybe this is worth a little bit more tax. Either way, backpacks ended up being the most difficult things to ship because I would usually go to the shipping center with all these packages. So I would ship them out in batches, usually at the end of the month. So I'd have a backpack, 2, 3 backpacks, and then a couple of other smaller things like a Ridge wallet, a portable USB humidifier, for example. I would have all these things. I'd have to get the boxes, box them, pack them all up, and then basically do all of this at a post office or a shipping center. And it really was more work than I was expecting, but it was really nice to be able to give those things away. And I learned a lot about international shipping, taxes, customs, a lot about the specific quirks for specific countries. Also, I gave away a phone case that can do this, and the Logitech MS Anywhere 2S mouse, which I recently did a road tested review of. And ironically, somehow I dropped the mouse yesterday, like really dropped the mouse, and it survived as well. So bonus road tested the Logitech Anywhere 2S mouse, which is a pretty durable mouse, although I don't recommend you drop it. Lots of headphones, earbuds. I gave away the Jabra Move as well, which are these headphones here, really good pair of sounding headphones. Those went to India, and sending those and shipping those there was just kind of an interesting adventure. One, the address, so it had to be very specific, which is common in India, but also the shipping costs. I could have easily bought 2 more of the Jabra Move for the price of shipping them, but it was my year of giveaways, and I was going to get these to all of you wherever you were in the world, because I want to make all my giveaways and contests as international as possible. So that was part of the year of giveaways. And bringing it all the way back around, I gave away a Pen-Click R3 joystick mouse, which was a surprisingly popular review, but it also happens to be the very first review that I started when I picked this channel up again. So for those of you who don't know, I started this channel in, I think, 2006 and just used it as a place to upload clips. About 2 years ago, I really started to get serious about making videos. And a couple of months after that, I dedicated to making 2 videos a week at least, which is kind of what you see here now. But that Pen-Click R3 joystick mouse review was one of the first ones. I shot that on a point and shoot Panasonic Lumix DMC ZS45, just using the built-in microphone, so the audio is pretty terrible. The video quality is probably even worse. And it was kind of the place where this community started to begin and grow. And I wanted to do the year of giveaways to kind of show some appreciation for all of your support throughout this time. I was really happy to give some gifts to all of you who've just been with the channel no matter how long, for months, weeks, years. And I was really glad that I was able to make it work throughout 2019. I appreciate all of you for watching, for supporting the channel, for liking videos, disliking videos, your honest feedback on videos, and of course for being subscribed and helping this community grow. It's really been a lot of fun for me. I love making these videos, and it's been just really nice to connect with a lot more of you as well. Thank you for being a part of the community and helping it to grow. I'll keep trying to make every travel and tech video better and better and better in some small way, and of course help you try to travel smarter, and I'm glad you're here for the ride. Thanks for watching, and if you are right now and you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below and say hello in the comments. It'll be nice to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.